Hey, Alex at HOGWORKZ, and today we're talking about upgraded tail lights. So what we offer here is integrated. It's called our Uproar light, and it's going to do running, brake, and your turn signals. It's got a cool little design in there. So basically, install, remove the two OEM screws on either side, unplug your harness, splice in your left and right with your posi taps, and then reinstall using your two screws on either side that you hold it off with, and you're ready to roar. And just like that, your install is complete.